In this video, I'm going to show you how to change shadow color in Canva. First, let's add shadow to the shape. To do that, just select it, then go to the top toolbar and click this FX option. Then you can choose any shadow you want. For example, I'll choose this drop shadow. After that, just use the sliders or type some numbers into these columns to adjust the direction, offset, blur, and transparency. Okay, next to change the color of the shadow, you can click this colored circle. From here, you can choose the color from these options, or if you don't want any of these colors, you can click this plus icon to add a new color. Just play around with these color pickers or type a hex code if you have one into this column. Since the color of this shape is blue, I want the shadow to be some kind of blue too. So that's how you can change shadow color in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.